In this video we discuss another shortcut in Microsoft Excel. For example, if I am going to in this cell, if I for example I type here hello, and if I want to make a border along this cell, I simply select this one. Now you can apply a shortcut method, that is, so this is the control key in your keyboard, this is the shift key, and this key, so I must press these three keys at the same time, that is, you must press the control key, shift key, and this key, these three keys at the same time, and you can see a border have been arrived. So you can see in our hello here, you can see a border have been arrived in the cell. So this is the keyboard shortcut method, that is, press the control key, shift key, and this 7 number key, these keys at the same time. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.